Hey traders, want to stop losing money and trade like the experts? You might be surprised to learn that the solution could be right at your fingertips in TradingView. With just a few clicks, you can unlock tools that will help you make more informed decisions and keep up with the pros. The cool thing about this strategy is that it works well across different assets and time frames, giving you the flexibility to make it work for your unique approach to trading. So, open TradingView platform and pick any chart and time frame you wish. Let's focus on the Bitcoin 5-minute chart now. This cool tool called the color moving average that's been doing wonders. Just head over to the indicator section and search for JDX EMA Cross Indicator and add it to your chart. To make it work like a charm, we'll need to play around with its settings. Don't worry, I've discovered the ideal configuration for the JDX EMA Cross Indicator. Just keep up with me as I guide you through settings it up for peak performance. Let's break down how the JDX EMA Cross Indicator works. It uses two exponential moving averages or EMAs to help you spot potential trend changes. Imagine the fast EMA is like a hare racing ahead while the slow EMA is more like a turtle, taking its time. When the speedy EMA crosses above the slow EMA, it's a sign that the uptrend might be starting. That's when you see the indicator change color from red to green, giving you a buy signal. But if the speedy EMA falls behind the slow EMA, that's a warning that a downtrend could be on the way, which means it might be the time to sell. That's when the indicator changes from green to red. Now let's find another indicator that works well with the JDX EMA Cross Indicator to help you trade more confidently. Here's the color moving average, a handy tool that works with the JDX EMA Cross to confirm trends. Add it to your chart by searching for it in the indicator section. We'll need to tweak the color moving average settings to make it work best. No worries, I'll guide you through the adjustments for top-notch results. So now we have all we need. So let's see what are the trading rules using this powerful free strategy. Let's dive into a straightforward long trading strategy using these powerful free tools. First, keep an eye out for a buy signal indicated by the candles changing color from red to green. Next, make sure the trend is bullish by checking the CMA indicator. you want to see a green line and the price above green moving average line. Once confirmed, go ahead and open the buy position. Protect your trade by setting a stop loss below the recent swing low or the green moving average line. This helps you manage risk if the market shifts unfavorably. And for exiting with profit, set your first target at 1.5 times the distance between entry price and stop loss level. Consider exiting a portion of your trade volume here and the rest at target twice the risk. When aiming to short the market, keep an eye on your indicators for the perfect moment to strike. Start by watching for a sell signal, which happens when the candle switches colors from green to red. Next, verify a bearish trend on the CMA indicator. You're looking for a red line, with the price hanging out below the red moving average line. Once these factors align, confidently enter the short position. And to safeguard your trade, set a stop loss above the most recent swing high or the red moving average line. Doing so helps minimize risk if the market flips on you. To lock in profits, set your first target at 1.5 times the distance between your entry price and stop loss level. Feel free to close part of your trade volume here and exit the rest at the target double your risk. And if you stay open to learning new strategies and techniques, an awesome way to do this is by watching our recommended video. It's packed with valuable insights and tips for traders like you.